Hello, welcome back to the Pro Design YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach you how to make a selection using pen tool. Pen tool is very special tool in Adobe Photoshop. We can do few works using pen tool, and pen tool is uses to make selection of sharp curves. Let's go to the video. Open the image. Then, select the pen tool. Create the first anchor point as you want. Then create the next anchor point and adjust the curvature of the path as you want without releasing the left click button on your mouse. And let's create the another one. Click, hold, and adjust the curvature. Release. You can create the all other anchor points using this method. In this case, we can't adjust the curvature properly due to effect of last anchor point that we created. We can remove the effect of last anchor point as a solution. First, press the backspace once to remove the anchor point. Click on the last anchor point holding the Alt key to remove this effect. After that, we can continue with the usual method. As you close your selection path, adjust the curve by clicking and holding the first anchor point we made at the beginning. Same as we did for the other anchor points before. Then, zoom in the image and look for some irregularities on your selection path. If there were some irregularities, we can recorrect them using the curvature pen tool. Now we have successfully completed the creating selection path process. Now, let's see how to convert this into a selection. Right-click on the path and select Make Selection. Make sure to keep the feather radius at 0. Then, click OK. Done. Now you can do anything to this selection, such as adding a layer mask, removing the background, or anything else. Don't forget to like this video if you get an advantage from this. Thank you.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.